So many fire trucks. Where's the ladder? Look at all the fire trucks. Don't you see? They're getting ready for today's Memorial Day parade in New Milford. It's going to start in about 20 minutes. There goes the band. The fire trucks are waiting until the end because the fire trucks can't go until the end. The fire trucks are waiting their turn to go. It's not their turn yet. See. So, eventually they'll get there. Now they're going. Wow, the fire trucks! Look at that! Now those fire trucks over there are going to wait their turn. Because everyone has their own turn before it's their turn.